Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming ownership and gathering backups. Open Google Search Console and pick the exact property you want removed. Don't guess. Next, export sitemaps, performance data, and copy any verification tokens or DNS-TXT records you might need later. Once done, decide if you will remove an entire property or just your user access. The steps diverge. Make sure to note the associated Google account. You can't remove a property from an account that isn't logged in. Now execute the removal. If you're revoking verification, go to Ownership Verification and remove each method: HTML files, meta tags, Google Analytics, or DNS entries, so Google can't revalidate. For deleting a property, open Property Settings and choose Delete Property. Confirm when prompted. If you only need to remove a user, go to Users and Permissions, select the user and remove their access. Throughout, watch for confirmation dialogues, and note that deletions can take time. Complete the process by refreshing Search Console and confirming the property or user is gone. Once removed, expect data and cached references to clear over 24 to 48 hours. Sites may still appear in other Google tools briefly. If you can't remove something, inspect remaining verification methods. An orphaned DNS-TXT or analytics tag often blocks deletion. If that fails, log into the original verification account or remove the verification records at the registrar. Then retry removal and confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.